Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick review on this Daiya cheese. This is cheddar style cheese. You can get this at a local grocery store, but the cool thing about it is it's dairy free, soy free, and gluten free. Take a look at the back here. As you can see, they come in slices already, and these are the ingredients. So it's got filtered water, potato starch, tapioca, and yeah. Alright, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so here it is. As you can see, this is what it looks like. I'm going to rip a piece off and tell you what it tastes like. It actually tastes pretty good. You wouldn't notice the difference that it's not made from cheese. The interesting thing is, it sort of tastes like those cheese slices, like Kraft Singles. Yeah. So if you actually put it into your hamburger or something like that, you probably wouldn't notice the difference if you already used like Kraft Singles or something. Alright, if you have any questions or comments, please subscribe to the channel.